Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Sololearn application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sololearn application on your device and you will now see the sign in with Google as well as the sign up with email option. You can use the Google option if you wish to connect your Google account and sign up as well as log in through a shortcut. Otherwise, use the email option and you will now be asked to enter your email address. Just type in your desired email address followed by your username as well as your desired password for your account. Then tap on create new account and now tap on ready to try. You will be asked some questions which you can answer, and now you will see various different options based on your skill level. And now you have successfully been signed up and you will be able to start using the Sololearn application and start your very first lesson right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Sololearn. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.